Supreme Court nominee Ketanji Brown Jackson was once again under fire this morning on Capitol Hill for not being tough enough against child porn defendants. Take a look at this heated exchange between her and Senator Lindsey Graham.
In comes the internet. On the internet, with one click, you can receive, you can distribute tens of thousands. You can be doing this for 15 minutes, and all of a sudden, you are looking at 30, 40, 50 years in prison.
Good. Good.
I understand.
Absolutely
Senator,
good. I hope you are. Good.
Allow her to finish, please.
I hope you go to jail for 50 years if you're on the internet trolling for images of children and sexual exploitation. So you don't think that's a bad thing? I think that's a horrible
That's not
thing.
what the witness said, and she should be allowed.
Joining me now to discuss Judge Jackson's third day of hearings is the senior counsel at the Article 3 project, Will Chamberlain. Will, thanks so much.
Absolutely. Thanks for having me, Buck.
All right, so what are you? You're a lawyer. You work on these issues. You are in that legal world. The back and forth, not just with Lindsey Graham here, but in general with some of the Senate Republicans and Judge Brown Jackson on this issue of leniency. Leniency for child porn offenders? What do you make of it? What's going on here?
I mean, it's going really badly for Judge Jackson. I think it's very clear that she's extremely defensive about these questions, as are the members of the Democratic of essentially the contingent on the Judiciary Committee, and her answers are just not very compelling. I can see worlds where you would make some sort of distinction between, okay, well, maybe the producers of child pornography need to be punished more severely than the consumers or something like that. And to come up with something that allows you to make a really principled distinction to justify these sentences. But she's not really doing it. And moreover, Josh Hawley flagged this as an issue, flagged like 7 or 8 different cases as an issue that she would have to defend her own record. And that's very much fair game. Like, justices don't have to ask questions about what they might think about certain issues because they can say, well, that might come up in front of me and I have to remain an open mind. But it's completely fair game to ask them about their record. And so for both Democrats and for Judge Jackson to be so defensive and so unable to answer basic questions is really quite embarrassing and troubling.